from other cities, even if they don't live in Bombay or otherwise globally. Lately, I think the Bay Club is doing well. Everybody wants to be a part of that. Of course, these things happen. आपने जैसे mention किया ना, जो भी accessible नहीं है उसको access करने में उनको लगता है एक validation है, और सच में ही वैसा है.
Do you get it done?
Of course, we've got the way we represent, because we have a B2B understanding with most of them. हम लोगों ने उनको काफी business दिया है. वो लोग अगर of course वो profile does not suit them, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपका प्रोफाइल ही ऐसा है खराब सा, तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप ठीक हो तो of course.
So you've gotten people memberships in Soho House, and
Soho House
is easier.
Soho House is easier now. Maybe
Bay Club.
they commercialized it a little bit, but otherwise, but the representation was phenomenal. None of the Bangalore boys had they had access. I don't deny that, but we made the job a lot more easier.
Bay Club.
My co-founder just met them. We represented India's billionaires beyond Bombay. They loved what we're doing. We have showcased what our profiles look like. And yet the problem or the advantage there is everything is narrowed down to, I think, Neeta ma'am to having choose what she wants. It is to her discretion. At that level, nothing can happen. My job is to show what the rest of the India has. Then it's up to them. That's all I can do. There's nothing.
But you can't get people approved.
How can
no matter how much money
they... No. I mean, someone will call me for my membership and say, approve it. I don't think anybody except me will give the assurance that you can be a member. I don't think anyone can come on this podcast and anybody else outside this room can give that assurance. Raj has to say, okay, I like this man or I like this person. He has to be here.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone outside can claim that I can get them on this podcast.
Yeah.
It is your choice. So that I cannot. I can just tell Raj, saying, Raj, hey, this is a great case study. That's all.
Fair. Which is
what we do.
Which is what you do, and it's fair.
And it is still figuring out. I mean,
but tell me, why do people want membership at a club when they're not even from the city? Let's say Bay Club and Soho House Mumbai में. इधर अब Bay Club में नहीं मिलता किसी को easily, which according to your saying, right? तो अब जब मिल ही नहीं रहा है और वो बॉम्बे में रहते भी नहीं है.
Correct.
तो क्यों चाहिए उन्हें?
देखो, इसके 2 लेयर्स हैं. एक तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं मेरे कस्टमर को एक बार पे अननोइंगली मिला और उसने 2 साल मेंबरशिप लिया है, 4-4 लाख रुपए दिया है. हर एक मैसेज पढ़ता है, हर एक रिकमेंडेशन हम जो बोलते हैं पढ़ता है. यूज उसने सिर्फ 2-3 बार ही किया है.